Hey, it's Ryan with Back Road Reviews, and in this review, we're going to take a look at an extended review on the Ariat work boot. I've had these boots for over a year, using them every day, and out in the field, out on the homestead, farming, working in the shop, and I really like how the no-slip soles work real good. These are the non-steel tip for our application, and basically when they get real, I have abused these and they have held up very well. The stitching has held up really well. They do have some waterproofing on there, and I can't really see, there's a little bit of you know, where the sewing machine ended a bit on the leather, but it's not coming apart. It's just where the seam where they stitched in and came back. So we're good there. You know, the leather has held up really well. A lot of abrasion resistance, which is super critical. I mean, we got chunks of leather missing. It's held up beautifully. And then, you know, if we want to polish these up, we just take some mink oil and condition the leather, make them last a little bit longer. But really happy with these work boots. They're very comfortable. We've resoled them a few times on the inside. Just fantastic work boots. Really good stuff. My name's Ryan with Back Road Reviews. Thanks for watching. Before, after, work boot oil, Survivor Series.